Before cooking food in the pan, you or the cook will need to test the pan to see how hot it is. This can be done with a few drops of water. If you test a pan's heat in this way, you may notice that sometimes the water just boils away. Other times, though, the water drops seem to jump across the pan and do not go away immediately. This is called the Louden-Frost effect, named after Johann Gottlob Louden-Frost, who studied the effect in the 1700s. The Louden-Frost effect occurs when something like a pan is heated up. The pan has to become extremely hot. Then, when a drop of water makes contact with the hot pan, the bottom of the drop gets very hot and turns into steam. The rest of the water drops sits on the top of the steam. Because it is sitting on top of the steam, the water drop does not turn into a gas right away. It can stay around for a long time. The water drop usually moves quickly around the pan. However, if the pan is hot but not hot enough, the water will just boil away. Also, if the pan is too hot, the water drop will boil away immediately. So, when exactly does the Louden-Frost effect occur? The Louden-Frost effect happens at the Louden-Frost point, which is different for different situations. However, it does depend on a few things, such as the size of the water drop and the pressure of the air around it. While the Louden-Frost effect sounds interesting, what can it be used for? Some scientists did a special experiment. They wanted to show that they could move water around using the Louden-Frost effect. They cut lines into a piece of flat material. Then, the scientists heated the material. They made it extremely hot before putting the water drops on it. Then, when they put the water drops on it, the drops moved around. It almost seemed like they were alive. The water drops could even go up parts of the material like they were going up steps. This experiment showed that water could be made to move around on something hot without boiling away. The scientists thought that water like this might be useful for cooling off computer chips. Computer chips get hot and can damage easily. Maybe the Louden-Frost effect could be used to build better, cooler computers.